Now, these guys are list brokers and have access to hundreds of thousands of subscribers. And the site I'm looking at is dedicatedemails.com. It's a site or company started by Brian and Mike Littman, who specialize in brokering. And basically, their lists are business opportunities, self help, and health. So basically, if you're involved in any of those niches and would like to send out a solo ad, you could contact these guys. And if you have a list and are interested in different ways you can make money with that list, you're looking for additional income stream, you could click here where it says list brokerage and you could partner up with them. As it says here, you could earn as much as $25,000 extra from your list each month. So basically, this is a great opportunity for you if you already have a list, and also if you want to grow your list, certainly contact these guys.